Today I am going to tell a story of the great elephant. One day, an elephant went to a jungle and searched friends. He saw a monkey on a tree. Elephant said, "Will you be my friend?" Monkey said, "You are too big. You can't swing from trees like me." Next day, he met a rabbit. "Will you be my friend?" Rabbit, you are too big. You can't play in my burrow. Then he went to frog. Will you be my friend?" Frog said, "How impossible. You can't heap about like me." A fox appeared. Elephant said to the fox, "Will you be my friend?" Fox said, "Sorry, sir, you are too big." Next day, he saw all the animals were running for their lives. Elephant asked the fox, "What is the matter?" Fox replied, "There is a lion and he is trying to kill all of us." All the animals were running away to hide. Meanwhile, the lion kept eating whoever he could find. Elephant went to the lion and said, "Please, Mr. Lion, don't eat all the poor animals. Lion said, "Mind your own business." Elephant had no choice but to give the lion a hefty kick. Elephant went back to the jungle and announced the good news to all. And all the animals thanked him and said, "You are just the right size to be our friend." Moral of the story is, friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you.
छुप के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूँ सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू कर सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
जाने मुझको तेरे साथ तेरा तो बोलूं मैं सारा सोगरा तारा सबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग में जुए आई सोगरा तारा ओए सबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग में जुए आई
My name is Pratham Skanda. I am telling about Woodcutter's story. One day, Woodcutter went to the forest. Accidentally fell into a river. He made a good search in the water. He can't find any more. Started crying. He prayed the god. Nil appeared in front of him. He asked, Angel asked, why are you crying? He replied, my axe is fall into a river. He divided the river. Angel divided the river and brought a golden axe. Woodcutter replied, this is not mine. Angel once again divided the river and brought a silver axe. Woodcutter soon returned with iron axe. Finally, Woodcutter accepted it. The angel was impressed. Gifted only 3 eggs. Honesty is the best policy. Moral of the story is honesty is the best policy. Thank you. Namaste, I am Daksh. Today I will see you Trusty Ghost Story. Once upon a time, there was a trusty ghost. He is very thirsty and finding water everywhere, but he cannot find. Then he last found little water in the pot and go to the drink, but his beak is not going there. That's why he's used a beak and take the little stones and put. Slowly come water up and his drink happily fly away. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Aganya. I am going to tell you a story because I am a storyteller. I am going to tell the story of the three friends. The first friend was a monkey. The monkey's name was Manku. The second friend was a donkey. The donkey's name was Donku. The third friend was an elephant. The elephant name was Gaju. These three were very good friends, but they had an enemy, the scared tiger, Shere Khan. Roar! One day, Manku was very thirsty. In the jungle, there was a lake. Manku, when he was going to the lake, Shere Khan sniffed his smell, and when he was right behind him, he followed him. When he got to know that he was going to the lake, when he got to know that Manku was going to the lake, Shere Khan hid behind a bush that was near to the lake. When Manku was drinking, Shere Khan pounced on Manku, and Manku started saying, "Ooh, help, help! Ooh, help, help!" Donku and Gaju heard Manku's voice. They ran to the lake because the sound was coming from the lake. When they saw Shere Khan pounced on Manku, they ran and fought with him. And Shere Khan got scared. They're fighting me. They're attacking me. So Shere Khan ran away. The friends helped each other. This is the end of the story. The moral of the story, a friend in need is a friend in need. So let's be good friends and helpful friends. Thank you. Bye.
सोगा तारा, चबीला तारा, रंगीला
Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Sostram. Namastestu Mahamaye Shripide Shurabhuchide Shang Chakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostude. Namaste Garudarude Kola Surabhayangari Sarva Bhava Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostude. Sarvagne Sarva Varade Sarva Dushta Bhayangari Sarva Dukkha Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostude. Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi Bhukti Mukti Pradayini Mandramurte Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostude. Adyandahide Devi Adi Shakti Maheshwari Yoga Jay Yoga Sambhude Mahalakshmi Namostude. Svedambari Devi Nana Langara Bhushide Jagastide Jaganmodaha Mahalakshmi Namostude. Padmasanasthide Devi Parabrahma Sharubini Parameshi Jaganmada Mahalakshmi Namostude. Sula Sukshma Maharaudre Mahashakti Mahodari Mahapava Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostude. Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Sostram Eppadet Bhaktiman Nara Sarva Siddhya Vapnodi Rajyam Prapnodi Sarvada Ega Kalam Pade Nityam Mahapaba Vinashanam. Trikalam Pade Nityam Dhyana Jana Samanvita. Trikalam Pade Nityam Mahashatru Vinashanam. Mahalakshmi Bhave Nityam Prasanna Varana Shubha. Idi Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Sostram Samburnam. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Sannidhi. Today I am going to sing a rhyme. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town, all through the town. The lights on the bus push on and off, on and off, on and off. The lights on the bus goes on and off, all through the town, all through the town. The doors on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town, all through the town. The driver on the bus goes, please sit down, please sit down, please sit down. The driver on the bus said, please sit down, all through the town. The babies on the bus goes, wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus goes, wah, 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 all through the town, all through the town. The mummies on the bus goes, shh, 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 shh. The mummies on the bus said, shh, 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 shh. All through the town, all through the town. Good morning friends, my name is M. Mohammed Nawfal. I'm telling you UKG Kid Weekend and tell about the honest woodcutter that lived a poor woodcutter. When he was cutting wood into the forest nearby river bank, suddenly axe fell down into the river and woodcutter did not know how to swim. Woodcutter very sad, and one angel appeared and asked, why are you very sad? How can I help you? My axe fell fell down into the river. An angel jumped into the river and came out with a golden axe and asked, "It is yours?" "No, it is not mine." An angel jumped again into the river and came out with a silver axe and asked, "It is yours?" "No, it is not mine." An angel jumped again into the river, came out with a iron axe and asked, "It is yours?" "Yeah, it is mine." "Thank you very much. You are honest woodcutter. That's why you take this tree axe to you." Woodcutter gone home happily. The moral of the story: honest is the best policy. Thank you very much.
Cobbler make shoe get it done by half past 2. Stitch it up and stitch it down. I will give you half an crown. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ तब जाएगी, बाहर उठा तो मर जाएगी, पानी में डालो तैर जाएगी, पानी में डालो तो तैर जाएगी. Life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. It's alright. Don't forget to scream. Ah! Buddy, I am telling a story. Fox and the Grapes. Once upon a time, there lived a fox. His name is Doodoo. Doodoo Fox. One day, Doodoo Fox is very hungry. He not get any food. He searched here and there. Walked and walked and walked. At last, he reached vineyards. There, so many grapes are there. So many grapes. Yummy, yummy grapes. Doodoo Fox's mouth is watering. He jumped to pluck the grapes. He not get. He jumped second time to pluck the grapes. He not get. He jumped third time, fourth and fifth and sixth and seventh and eighth and ninth and 10th. I am tired. These grapes are sour. I don't like these grapes.
Let me go. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Johanna Madeline. I'm going to tell a beautiful story. The story title is The Proud Rose. Once upon a time, there was a rose was very proud of her looks, but disappointed, she grew to next to an ugly cactus. She teased the cactus every day. The cactus remained quiet. One day there was a hot summer. The rose began to dry. The rose saw a sparrow fly and poke the cactus, drink and water, and it was happy and song and go away. The rose saw the cactus and said, "Oh, so sorry cactus, can you give some water?" The cactus said, "Okay." And the cactus gave some water. They two began to be friends. But the rose never teased the cactus ever again. So the moral is of the story, never judge everyone by their looks. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sanvi R. Today I am going to sing. Niru Shiva, Nidadiru Shiva, Bagudu Yenakaya. Niru Shiva, Nidadiru Shiva, Bagudu Yenakaya. Naneke Anjali, Nannambali. Naneke Anjali, Nannambali. Niru Shiva, Nidadiru Shiva. Niru Shiva, Nidadiru Shiva, Bagudu Yenakaya. Shringara Krataka, Bangara Shanika. Shringara Krataka, Bangara Shanika. Balalli Badivar Eke. Balalli Badivar Eke. Neenitta kaya. Neenitta kaya. Neenitta kaya. Nina kaili maya. Agodu hogodu na kanene. Niru Shiva, Nidadiru Shiva, Bagudu Yenakaya.